sun comes out. Last night was shaking and pretty low. My cave is burning, it scratched my skin. So what is